Good morning, children. The continuation of class chapter 6, class 3. Yes, last week portions I know you must have learnt. It was interesting for you. Good. Now the continuation, page number 36 and 37 we finished. Now we are going to page number 38. Here they are going to describe a family, in that how they are eating, what type of food they are eating, how they are dividing according to the age, all that we are going to discuss, and the explanation will be given as we are going on. In Whipple's family, there are some members who do not eat what Whipple eats. Whipple is a person's name. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Whipple eats? Let us read about Whipple's family. While returning home from school, Whipple bought a butta or a corn on the cob. Butta is an English Hindi word. It is corn, that is English word. In Tamil we call it as cholam, makka cholam. That the long thing with the yellow beets, yellow seeds on it. Cholam, makka cholam. Hmm? That one we call it as butta in Hindi. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Chutki? I want to see her." Chutki is the boy's sister, Vipul's sister. He wanted to see her. This may be a small child. His mother replied, "Chutki is in the room upside." Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked Ma's chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." Here I want to explain two things. One is a grandmother. Grandmothers, they become old. When they become old, they cannot walk like us because their bones will be very weak. They can't walk like a small children. They cannot be active like us, like a small children. So, plus their teeth also will be weak. Bone and teeth all are made up of calcium. Calcium is a mineral. It's made up of that. So, usually the chapatis are soaked in sambar, dal, and that becomes soft. Sometimes, what we'll do? Sambar idli, when you want to eat, what will you do? We make the small idlis and put it in the sambar, dip it, and we'll eat it. We enjoy that. Yes or no? The same way, they put chapati in the sambar, soak it, make it soft, and eat. And now I have soaked it because let us have our meal. The mother is telling people, "Don't take her now." "Have you put sugar in the dal?" See, the grandmother is asking, "Have you put sugar in the dal?" See, each family, each one have some habits. Some are always like to have jaggery along with food. Some will have lot of coconuts on the food. Some will have lot of fried cashews on their food. See, here in grandmother, their family have the habit of adding sugar into sambar. See, mostly in Karnataka, they add gar. That's the beginning of the lesson we have learnt. Jaggery. They add jaggery in the sambar. Here in this people, they add sugar in the sambar. She's asking, "Did you add it?" Asking the daughter-in-law. "After coming to Nagpur, you have forgotten our own way of making." Actually, they are from some other place. They are staying in Nagpur now. Said Dadi. Dadi means grandma to Vipul's mother. "I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well," replied Vipul's mother. "I have already tasted. It is enough sugar is added. Everything is very well. It is tasted well. When I was your age, I could run up hill in the same time," said Dadi. See, Dadi is telling the grandson that when I was like you, when I was a baby, I was like you, the school child. I used to run up and down in the hills. In the hills, I'll go up and down. When I was an age, I couldn't run an uphill in the same time, said Dadi. Vipul gave the putta he was eating his to Mami. Mami is maybe auntie. Washed his hands and lifted little Chucky. Little Chucky is a baby. Suddenly, Chucky started crying. She's hungry, said Mami. She sat down and to feed Chucky. See, the Chucky is not going to eat putta. Grandma cannot eat putta because she's having a very weak teeth. But Mami can eat, mother can eat, and Vipul can eat. But Chutki cannot eat solid food because she doesn't have a teeth, and she can eat only a liquid food, maybe milk, mother's milk or cow's milk. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? It is because her bones are weak. How does Dadi like to have her dal with sugar? How many persons in the story can eat putta easily? Mother, Mami and Vipul. Can all old people eat putta? Why? No, all old people cannot eat putta because their teeth will be weak. But maybe some are blessed with the good teeth, they can eat. Why means their teeth are weak, less calcium in the body. Calcium is a mineral. We'll be learning little later. For 4 months, Chutki is a 4 months old baby, will have her mother's milk. That is her only food. Why? Because she doesn't have a teeth. So she cannot munch her food. She doesn't know anything. So mother's milk or cow's milk will be given to the child. Now the next page 39, you will be doing what are the child will eat, what are the young person will eat, what are the old person eat. That I want you to think and write as your own. I'll be giving answer, but as your own, if you write it, it's nice. Your own answers always keeps there in your mind. This one. So this is about things that we cannot eat. Do we eat all things that we can eat? Not always. Let us talk about those things. Put a rings that you can eat often. See, if you are a South Indian, you eat many things made of rice. It is a staple food. Staple means we grow that food and we eat that. If you go to North India, many items are made of wheat. See, whatever the things they get, they make it. Then the staple bajra, they use it. We used maize, ragi, all that we started using. It's all grown in south side. What is grown in north side, they eat it. They make different items in that. We make different item in the rice. Most of our food is made of these things. Depending what grows easily in which place, different things are eaten in different places. Now here there is some work is given here. Variety of food items. The wheat, what all wheat? Mummy is a very good cook. Just discuss with mummy and you write. See, wheat means always I have in my mind chapati puri. But you can make so many things from that. Please discuss with Amma, sit with her, and what all mummy can make, fill it up. I'll be giving answer. If you want same answers, write the same answer. You write your own answer. I'll be very happy to have rice. Again, if I say rice, I will say I will make biryani. I'll make dosa, idli. Say something else also mummy can make better than this. Please see that what are my answers. No need to go with it. Even mummy's answers are right. Your answer is right. Daddy's answers are all. Grandma's answers are also right. Now here, how many things did you write? Similarly, different pulses, vegetable, fruits, etc. You take different items. You can take dals. You can take so many things. You can take it and try it. You can take fruits or you can take some vegetables. Okay. Write the name 3 food items you like to eat and 3 that you dislike. That you have to fill it. What you like. What I like, I would have filled it up. What you like, you have to fill it. Are you likes and dislikes similar to that of your family members or your friends? That may be similar to your family members are different from friends. It's all depends on what you follow it up. With that, the book exercise and the book lessons are over. Then we are going to have a different states wise. Here there is a person from country, a person from Hong Kong eating snakes. She eats snakes. Eat Lanku Fen. My mother both love to eat snakes. We go to nearby hotel. The snake dish name is Lanku Fen. Another person is a girl is from Kashmir, and she likes fish cooked in mustard oil. See how it is country wise, state wise, region wise, the food habits differs. A person from Kerala. I like to eat two things, both grow in our country yard. One grows on a tall tree and other underground. It's great boiled tapioca with a curry made using coconut. Yes, they are fond of coconuts and tapioca. Mostly their morning meal will be tapioca with fish curry, because lot of fish is available in Kerala. Because we have lot of backwaters there. Backwaters means small side seas, kuti small water pools. That's we call it as backwaters. See, from this you have understood. Age wise the food differs, because the baby eats different food, the middle younger children eat different type of food, older people eat different type. Some they cannot eat. A baby cannot eat something and the old people cannot. Mostly both are same. Both because of their teeth, both are similar. They need a soft food and they cannot munch the food much. The next thing is region wise, country wise, state wise the food differs, and then a person wise likes and dislikes differs. All this part of the lesson you have learned. I'll continue to sum up the lesson again. The staple food, we were talking about staple food. Staple food means the food which grows in a particular place. See, that's what I told you. Some food grows here, some grows South India, some grows in North India. Example I gave you, rice and wheat. See, Bajra grows well in the North India. Some like to eat spicy food, karama food. Some like to eat soft food like idli, dosa, sambar, chutney, then appam, idiyappam, dokla. Dokla is nothing but is a dish made of a lot of curds. Baby has a different set of food. They like to eat soft food, mostly made of rice kanjis or dal kanji, dal and rice mixed, or they make like a paisam. All that is the same thing. Will be like a porridge. Porridge means it's a soft, healthy drink. The same thing can be given to old people. Then most of the babies love to eat bread soaked in milk. The same thing can be given to the older people. Then deep fried items all can avoid. All can avoid. Avoid sense once twice in a week you can eat your young children. All old people once in a month or twice in a month they can have. But the steamed food, we call it as idli, appam, idiyappam, are very good for health. Very good for health. Always we prefer that food. We can add spicy to the food, but very little amount you have to always add. The spice make our stomach irritation, and that's why we have to have always less spice, less of oil, less of everything, like moderate food is very good for our stomach. So long you have learnt about the food, so hereafter see that you take your food in a proper time. What is needed for you, mummy will going to give you. See that you take that food, that's good for your growth and your activities. So food is very important. right time meal, right food, healthy food is very much needed for your body. Thank you so much. Stay safe.